This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lee Sturm. Super rare find, detached single family condo in Grassfield/Great Bridge School District. Enjoy the comfort of having your own separate, detached home with the conveniences of condo maintenance and being able to have a pedestrian-friendly commute to the shopping plaza. First floor primary bedroom suite. Parking isn't a problem here, 1-car garage plus 3 driveway parking spaces. Beautiful deck off breakfast area, shed and enough backyard space for fun with minimal maintenance. COA fee includes pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, playground, grounds maintenance and trash pickup. New roof 2018-2022 kitchen updates include refreshed cabinets, new tiled backsplash, light fixtures, and neutral paint. Hardwood floors in foyer. Tons of natural light. Under transferrable termite warranty. House is in pristine condition and in one of the few neighborhoods in South Chesapeake that offers this level of convenience, amenity, and affordability. For more information, review the details below.